This place value chart shows 10 times two 10,000s. How many total 10,000s are there? Bundle the 10,000s into 100,000s. We bundled 10 times two 10,000s into 100,000s. 10 times two 10,000s equals how many 100,000s?
Awesome work so far, Zerner. We've been multiplying by 10 on the place value chart. Now let's try dividing by 10. When you see this blue bar on screen, it's time to solve in your Zern student notes. Today, we're working on Mission 1, Lesson 2. 2,000s divided by 10. We can represent this on our place value chart. Let's start by labeling the units. I'll write 1s here and 10s here. Keep going. Label the rest of the place value chart. I'll label the place value chart like this. This green bar means it's time to check your work. Your notes should match the work on screen. If you made a mistake, cross out your mistake and write the correct answer next to it. Don't erase. Now we can use our place value chart to solve this expression. What's the whole in our division expression? 2,000s. Start by representing 2,000s in the place value chart using the largest units possible. Use a circle to draw each 1,000. I'll draw 2,000s like this. We want to divide 2,000s by 10, so we need to put 2,000s into groups of 10 and find out how many groups of 10 are in 2,000. We only have 2 units, so we don't have enough to put into groups of 10. Let's change these thousands for a smaller unit. 1,000 is equal to 10 hundredths, so I'll unbundle the first 1,000 for 10 hundredths and put them in a straight line like this. You try. Unbundle 2,000s into straight lines of 10 in the hundreds place. We unbundled 1,000 into 10 hundredths here. Let's unbundle this 1,000 into 10 hundredths like this. Check your work. We unbundled 2,000s into hundreds. How many hundreds are in 2,000s? Write that here. There are 20 hundreds in 2,000s. We've rewritten our original problem, 2,000s divided by 10, as 20 hundreds divided by 10. These expressions mean the same thing. Now we have enough units to put in groups of 10, so we're ready to divide. We can read this expression as how many groups of 10 are in 20 hundreds. Circle each column of 10 in the hundreds place. Here is one group of 10, and here is another group of 10. Check your work. How many groups of 10 do we have in 20 hundreds? There are 2 groups in the hundreds column, so that's 2 hundreds. That means 20 hundreds divided by 10 equals 2 hundreds. Your turn. Let's review our work and look for patterns on the place value chart using numbers rather than disks. We divided 2 thousands by 10. 2 thousands divided by 10 is 2 hundreds. The digits stayed the same, 2 here and 2 here, but what changed was the unit of the quotient. It moved one place value to the right. Let's keep multiplying and dividing by 10 on the place value chart. We'll start with 4 hundreds, 3 tens, times 10. Start by showing 4 hundreds, 3 tens on the place value chart. This shows 4 hundreds, 3 tens. We can write a 0 in the ones place without changing its value. Now let's multiply each place by 10. Show 4 hundreds, 3 tens times 10 in the place value chart. Then solve.